Right guys, hope you can hear me. Down at Cars and Coffee at Murray Bridge. I brought Picasso down for his maiden debut. Lots of people liking it. So we'll just go for a bit of a walk around. Yeah, I'm going to do a short video today. I'm going to get downtown and see my old mate. He's not very well in hospital. He's not very good at all. So I've been down there a few times this week. So I'm wishing him all the best, wishing the family all the best. Yeah. It's got some nice XR there. So that's 289. I think Charlie did. Oh, right. It's got an LS in it. This is an old fella or something. Oh, Chevy, believe it? Oh, Chevy, yeah. SDK. Eddie's old two-door.
Bloody rust buckets. Yeah. Oh yeah, the Plenium was rusted out. Yeah, the
Yeah. There you go. So yeah, some bikes.
What motor are you on?
How you going? Blackie. Nice little trail. I saw this coming into town today. Oh yeah, triple Webbers, good. Sounded tough coming in. Nice Fairlane, saw that coming in. I'll hold him. That's cool. It's a cool little bus. Yeah, I like those wooden backs. I vibe it. Two cars with it. Excuse me. Outside there. On the flag. Tommies. Little LTD there. Not a bad looking machine. Yeah, I forgot to bring my new microphone thing down. So hopefully you're getting some sound out of it. BHs. How good old wagons, those things. Hey Charles, I think this is a local cartel. I've seen it a few times. Tuckers on and the coffees are on. Not a lot of cars here, I know, but it's fairly early. That's nice. Caddy. So, cool all the guys. Twin carbs. Old school cool. Yeah, it's looking new. Nice paint on it. Of course, the Picasso, I've got the tyres put on the front. Hubcaps. It's looking pretty cool actually. Still got a lot of work to do, but I like it. It's just good fun this year. Put the foxtail on there. Yes, it's a fake foxtail. I know. Yeah, she's driving alright. I hang here too long. I'll get down and see my mate. Yeah, people seem to like it. So, yeah. Alright everyone, stay tuned and yeah, all the best to the family. Yeah, poor old mate. Anyway, take care everyone, stay tuned.